Hello everyone and welcome. If you're a Canadian resident planning a trip to the United States, one of the first things you'll need to do is apply for a U.S. tourist visa, also known as the B-2 visa. Today, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process, including the required documents, fees, and the websites you'll need to visit. Let's get started. The first step in your journey is to determine if you need a visa. Canadian citizens typically do not need a visa for short visits to the U.S., but if you are a permanent resident of Canada or hold another nationality, you may need to apply for a U.S. tourist visa, also known as a B-2 visa. To determine if you need a visa, visit the U.S. Embassy website at ca.usembassy.gov. Here you can check the visa requirements based on your nationality. Once you've determined you need a visa, your next step is to complete the DS-160 form, which is the non-immigrant visa application form. Visit cac.state.gov/CEAC to start the application. Here's a quick overview of the form. Select your location and begin your application. Upload a passport-sized photo that meets U.S. visa requirements. Provide your personal information, travel plans, and security background. Be sure to save your application ID and keep track of it. You'll need this for later. After completing the DS-160, you need to pay the visa application fee. As of current year, the fee for a U.S. tourist visa is $185 CAD. To pay this fee, go to the U.S. Visa Information and Appointment Services website at ais.usvisa-info.com/in-ca/NIV. Create an account and select the Pay Visa Fee option. You can pay the fee using a debit card, credit card, or through other available payment methods. Once you've paid, save the payment confirmation receipt, as you'll need this for scheduling your appointment. Step 4. Schedule your visa interview. Now it's time to schedule your visa interview. This can also be done on ais.usvisa-info.com/in-ca/NIV. Log in with the account you created earlier. Select Schedule Appointment. Choose a U.S. Embassy or consulate location in Canada where you would like to have your interview. Popular locations include Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. You will need your DS-160 confirmation number, your visa fee receipt number, and your passport information to complete this step. Step 5. Gather required documents. Before your interview, it's essential to gather all the required documents. Here's what you'll need. A valid passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your intended stay in the U.S., your DS-160 confirmation page, your visa fee payment receipt, a passport-sized photo that meets U.S. visa requirements. Bring an extra copy, proof of ties to Canada, such as employment letters, bank statements, or property ownership, and a letter explaining the purpose of your trip and your travel itinerary. Make sure to organize all these documents neatly, as you'll need to present them during your interview. Step 6. Attend your visa interview. On the day of your interview, arrive at the U.S. Embassy or consulate on time. Bring all your documents, and be prepared to answer questions about your trip, your ties to Canada, and your reasons for visiting the U.S. The consular officer will review your application and supporting documents. If approved, your passport will be retained for visa stamping, and you'll receive your visa within a few days to a few weeks, depending on processing times. Step 7. Receive your visa. Once your visa is approved, you'll be notified to pick up your passport with the visa stamp or have it mailed to you, depending on the delivery option you selected during your application process. With your U.S. tourist visa in hand, you're all set for your trip to the United States. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to applying for a U.S. tourist visa as a Canadian resident. Remember to plan ahead, as the process can take some time, especially during peak travel seasons. For more detailed information and updates on visa policies, be sure to check the official U.S. Embassy website at ca.usembassy.gov. Safe travels, and thank you for watching.